Wow. Oh, wow. Now this kind of place where I need now. When they walk out, they waste my time the other side. That's what I need. Yeah.
This man. 70 years old man. Oh my God. This man. 70 years old man. 70 years old man.
Good afternoon. How are you?
You're welcome to God's Friend Auto Limited.
Okay.
Then Ring Road, Oyo. Okay, how may we help you, sir?
Okay. No, so I know the past here. I can't see this kind of place. So my motor spoil. So now this kind this thing why I need my motor spoil for road. Now they sell motor here, now they repair.
Okay, we both sell and repair stuff.
Okay. Okay,
let me go and call my boss.
it's okay. No problem.
Someone is looking for you out there. Maybe it's the client.
70 years old man. 70 years old man.
Yeah, Papa.
No one about. But say what you want to do.
Okay, my brother. I don't meet one girl here now. He say me call you. I just waka. My motor spoil. My motor spoil at number 13 Akaisina Street there. Down. Yeah, down. But
Okay, I sabi. Yeah, sorry.
but the motor too heavy. I no fit push am.
So, motor dey heavy now. You don't, is everything spot for the motor?
Okay. That car they give me trouble. Oh.
Sorry.
Now the chain cover, the spoke, the hub, the handlebar, and the frame. Why they laugh? What happened now? Why they laughing like this?
Senior man, this one you smile like this. Waiting happen for the industry say na mechanic workshop be this. In time say in car spoil, where na for person na be na where. I'm gonna begin the mention spoke, wheelbarrow, sprocket. Oga, I be no vex. You don't see as car full here. Na mechanic workshop be this. No be bicycle workshop. I beg.
This guy, your father send you work, you don't know what they send you.
CBC wahala.
I can't tell you what is spoil for my motor. You tell me say na bicycle part why they mention. You know sabi anything.
Oga,
I pity your father wey send you this work.
before you come in, you see I be dey work for inside there.
No, let me just go and find another place, but I go report you. You know sabi work. I pity your father.
Go measure sprocket.
I pity your father.